No, all I know is when the sun was hitting this tailgate, and all kinds of shit got filled in and taken out of it.
Not too bad. It's
there,
like right here in this
you
corner.
You can't see it right now, but when that sun was on this direction, where was it? Here. You know, there's a lip somewhere with Bondo. There's crazy. Yeah. There's a dent right up in there. There's a dent right there. I don't know. I was gonna have him cleared earlier, but he said just get it all in base and then we'll
clear the whole thing.
Yeah. I'm off tomorrow too. See, the door inside of the door looks darker from here.
Man, that top's hotter than a motherfucking light bulb.
Yeah.
Damn, I can't put my hand in it.
The door looks darker than the tailgate.
It don't look that dark
ain't
though.
got no clear on it. You can't judge it like that.
Yeah.
It's gonna darken up just like that when we put clear on. That's why I was hoping I'd not wait too long to put the base on.
You need some more sandpaper?
No, that's fine.
Hey.
You want to wet sand the roof a little bit too so we can hit it again? Yeah, that's fine.
I gotta wait till the fucking sun goes down a little bit. Got everything too goddamn hot.